Hello guys, you want to learn how to make this Nigerian delicacy egusi soup and also learn how to make wheat. This video is for you. I'm going to be teaching you how to make egusi soup with wheat. So stay tuned and watch. So welcome back. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make the delicious egusi soup. Okay, look at it very well. So let me list them for you. This is your beef. The beef I used, my pala fish, pomo, stockfish, my onion, my fresh pepper, and the egusi. That's the egusi seed I blended with ugu leaves. So look at them very well. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make the egusi soup for this video. First step, I washed my beef and I put it in a pot that I'm going to cook it. Yeah, so this is me washing the beef. Then the pomo, I cut it into smaller pieces. Then I washed it and also put it in the same pot that I put my beef. Yeah. And after then, I washed my stockfish. I also added it to the same pot that I put my pomo and my meat. Sliced my onions and I added it to the pot. And I also added my maggi and salt also to taste. Yeah. Then I added water, my desired amount of water that I wanted my meat stock to come out with, so you add yours. I covered the pot and put it on the fire for the meat to be ready, get done. So when the meat is boiling, I've blended my fresh pepper with my manual blender. Here, look at it, the pepper is blended and is ready to use. So I deboned this pala fish. I removed the head from the body, remove the inner bone. Yeah, look at it, remove the head from the body, the inner bone. Then I washed it and I kept it so that when the meat is boiled, I don't need to be doing all these things. Like I don't need to be washing and be doing all these things. So I had to be doing it when the meat is on the fire. So I had to check the meat, the progress. I had to check the progress of the meat. Yeah, it's boiling. You check it, you turn it, yeah, cut it, it's boiling. Then I covered the pots, continued doing what I'm doing. So the next thing, my ugu leaf to allow the sand to go down. Then I mixed a little water with my egusi. I blended this egusi with crayfish, yeah, because I don't need to put crayfish when I'm cooking the soup again, because I have a lot of fish, both stockfish. So I blended the egusi with crayfish. I added a little water because I didn't want it to be watery, because when I'm frying the egusi, I'm going to be drying it. So what's the essence of adding much water when I'm still going to dry the egusi with my oil? So I added a little bit water. Look at, see. Yeah, so these are the ingredients I got ready while boiling my meat. So I checked the meat another time. I think this was the third time I checked the meat, and the meat is ready. You can see the water is even reduced. Yeah, the water has thinned up, it has reduced. So I carried my meat down. Then I put a new pot on the fire. I let it to dry. Then shake up my red oil. Yeah. Then I added the red oil to the dried pot. I allowed the red oil to get hot and bleach a little. Yes, I allowed it to bleach a little. So I added my onion. I allowed it to fry a little. I added my blended pepper. I allowed it to fry a little also. Then I added a little water so the pepper will not get burned. Then that my egusi that I mixed with small water, I started putting it drop by drop, like ball by ball. Let me put it like that, small inside. Yeah. And I added a little water. You can see it's from the water from the plate that I mixed the egusi with. So this is a little egusi, so I just added water, then I covered it so it will not get burnt. I covered the pot. Yeah, then our meat stock, I removed the meat from the stock. That's, I removed the meat, the pomo, everything, all the thing from, I separated it from the water. Yes, I separated it. So this is the meat on another side, then the water alone. Then I went back to the egusi on fire, and I turned it, I stirred it, not allowing it to get burnt. Then I added my pala fish, I stirred it also. Then I added my meat, pomo, stockfish and all those things, joined with the pala fish and the egusi soup. I stirred this one also, stirred it, not allowing it to get burnt. Stirred it, squash it from the ground, squash it, yeah. Then I covered the pot, allow it to steam a little, and opened it. Then I started stirring it back, squashing the pot. Then I added my meat stock to the egusi. I also added extra water. Yes, because the meat stock water was not enough. I added extra water. Then I allowed it to boil. Then I stirred it one more time. After stirring it, I allowed it to boil. I covered the pot and allowed it to boil a little. Then I went to wash my vegetables, the ugu leaves. Then I opened the pot and I poured my ugu leaves there. I stirred it, then covered the pot to allow it to boil one more time. Our soup is 100% ready. Yes, it is 100% ready. I know you guys noticed that I did not add any other extra maggi or salt while making the egusi soup. Yes, the maggi and salt I needed, it was already in the meat stock. I did not need to add extra. So this is the soup. It is ready. So it's time to make my wheat. So I put a new pot on fire, put water. Then this is me making the wheat. Yes. Then after making the wheat, I served my soup. You can see this delicious egusi soup. The oil is not too much. Yeah. So this is me serving soup in my plate. Ooh, delicious. You can see the smoke coming out from the egusi soup. Okay, so after serving, I ate. So please, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like this video and comment. Bye.